Hi guys, this is an intro to Preston Docks level crossing and swing bridge. Right, so we've got halogen wigwags. Cyclists are advised to dismount and cross the bridge at pedestrian footways. Tully barriers again. These are in much better condition than the Maritime Way ones because, as you can see, they are going to be replacing them because they've just put some Smith's barriers in. And another wigwag and another Tully barrier, and we'll cross the bridge. This bridge is meant to be open in the summer, but I don't know if it's opening today or not. I don't know, but Preston Docks level crossings, I couldn't catch them working because Preston Docks, the Ribblestein Railway is closed today. Right, do not cross when light shows. Pedestrians must use this route. Klaxon Cyrex voice sounder, very rare. That one's a female and on the other side is a male. But yeah, leave bridge if audible warning sounds. Well, if you're in the middle of the bridge, then that's a bit really scary, isn't it? But over there is a Klaxon Nexus voice sounder again, and it looks beautiful, doesn't it? And I think that's funny because the pyramid, I think, operates all the level crossings. I don't know, but yeah, that one doesn't have an alarm on it. Klaxon Cyrex, no, Nexus. That's a halogen light that flashes when the bridge is. I might catch the bridge opening today, but I don't know. But yeah. So if we walk to the other side, we've got barrier 3 and 4 there. They're Tully barriers again. These, as I said, they're in much better condition. Halogen wigwag again. And I'll just check if there's not anybody coming. And then we've got a halogen wigwag over here. That lens is the wrong way round. Sideways, that's odd. But yeah, that's about it really. Barrier number 4.